topic. So today's topic is also one part of feasibility study, but it is something different from that one. Once the feasibility study is completed and you assume that we can move into the market, then there is need for new study called test marketing. You will test whether the buyers are ready to buy our product. This crucial because you are testing the acceptance level. You may have a new idea whether the idea is going to be succeed. You are able to know in the test marketing. So for your dream product, you can go for test marketing. You must know how to test. That's what we are going to discuss today. So my question today for the first hour is also around the test marketing. Okay, so understand clearly, then at the end of the hour try to answer that one question. Okay, we are going to divide the test marketing with two case study. One is failure case study. Usually we won't discuss the failure case study because it is a failure one, but today we are going to discuss in the test marketing because in test marketing there may be failures. Okay, so first case study we are going to discuss the failure case study in test marketing, then the success story of the Kia Solto. We don't know whether it is success or not. We have to wait and see because the product has just now introduced. So you have to see that one. So that is the brief thing we are going to discuss today. So before going to that one, let us have the reflections of your answers you have mentioned in the previous class. And this time also very nice answers from you. And I request everybody to answer because I already mentioned there is no specific activity. Whatever you are mentioning in this Excel sheet, I think my data analytics team will calculate how many answers you have answered. Based upon that, your activity mark will be given. And this time, of course, I asked only one question. Since second part I have not asked because of the case study. Even then, only 38 responses were there. 12 students failed to respond. So this time I am expecting all the answers. Of course, the students, those who have posted answers, are very nice answers. That is the question is, if you want to go for action trading, which product you will go? Very nice. You can see that one. The first answer I like very much. One of the psychology student, maybe action model. He mentioned license of psychological questionnaire. Very nice. I never expected that one. You did it successfully. Good answer. I after that only I inquired, is it possible to license the psychological questionnaire? It is possible. And some of the organizations they are doing psychologists, they are doing that one. So very nice answer. License for the psychological questionnaires. Very nice. Then another student, custom made car actioning. What is happening? Usually in case of Nehru Center in Mumbai, you can see such type of custom made model. Okay. Then of course, masterpiece from DI store, protein powder, vintage glassware, then health boosted drinks, very nice, cosmetics, once again custom made cards, skin care products, electronic gadgets, usually it is happening. Another interesting answer came to know that if I am to use auction model, then I would be selling tribal jewelry. Very nice answer. That appreciate that student. Very good answer. He made a tribal jewelry. Hmm. No, that is uniqueness one. Most of the organizations now they are going to grab this type of tribal jewelry and they are making a very nice profit about that one. So based upon that is answer. So very good thinking. Then robo action product is machinery robo. So you are having mind power to think about robo and you are able to design. Very nice. You are a successful person. Then jewelry, craft, vintage cars, copyright and design of the website. Once again, an IPR you are going to give the license. So very nice answer. Good. That's what we expect in this type of discussion. You are well done in this activity. Especially some new things are coming. That's what I appreciate all of you, those who have participated in that one. Coming to the news, recently I gone through one of the news on the 1st October news only, but it is somewhat relevant today's topic also. COVID 19 15-minute game changer test. See that one. In case of one of the European market, they introduced an 15-minute test for COVID 19. Whether it is possible, I don't know. Maybe here some microbiology students, biotechnology students are there. So they may know about that one. I'm not having clear idea. But anyhow, the news is something different. I like that one. They mentioned that they are able to test COVID within 15 minutes. Then they tested that one. Today's topic is also test marketing. See that one. If there is something new, an innovative product is coming, there is need for testing. Here, they tested with the patients and they tested with the passengers entering into a particular country and they tested successfully within 15 minutes they are able to get the result. This is also called as test marketing. You must know. Even the COVID vaccine tests are going on. Why? That is the product testing. We will see that meaning also. We are going to discuss that one as a prototype. COVID medicines, vaccines, they are preparing and they are testing. One side it is also going on. Another side, coming to the marketplace. From the market, they tested clearly that is it possible to test the COVID within 15 minutes. And they proved that one and it also received the approval from the one of the government in European country and they are going to introduce from tomorrow. I think tomorrow the COVID test in European countries started within 15 minutes of result. Very interesting thing. That is called the innovation. As an venture capital students, you must know that one. How quickly they tested. Because these type of testings are very essential. That is how a new product is coming. That is what usually in those days we used to call it as necessity is the mother of invention. In those days, my professors used to mention that quote. Even in board, we used to mention all these things. Necessity is the mother of invention. That is the basic idea beyond this type of test marketing. Okay. So that is why it has been defined like that. Test marketing is a tool. It is used by a number of companies. Only thing from these things they wish to know whether it is a market successful one or not, whether our product is accepted by the customers or by the public. If our product is accepted by our customers, then it means that we are success. That is the concept here of test marketing. And it also shows the effectiveness of marketing campaign, how effectively we introduce the marketing campaign. We'll see how they are testing in the market. This is the concept. Same thing I have given in our LMS. Why we want to test? Microbiology students may say that why we have to go for test marketing. We know we are going to establish the lab nicely. We are having very good equipments, microscope, everything is ready. All the equipments are ready. So why we have to go for marketing? Whether whether customers will come or not, that is very important. Especially in case of microbiology labs, it is purely based upon geographical area. Geography is very important. In which place you are going to have your microbiology lab is very important than your product. That is for microbiology students. You must know the location. Location is very important for testing because it should be nearer to some of the hospitals or some of the clinics or place in which it all the patients can come. Easy accessibility, maybe in the roadside or just 1 or 2 kilometers from the bus stops, because nearby bus stops you won't have all those things, but we can have within 1 or 2 range. Then very important thing, we have to store some chemicals. Whether all these facilities are available, you have to know. That is why test marketing is very important for that one. Once you establish the lab, customer should come. You have to create a brand name. Your communication is very important for the microbiology students. We are testing. If the test is negative, how you will answer? Your patient is coming, you are testing, definitely the result will be negative. How you will communicate to that person? That is very important. That is why the test marketing is essential. First instance, you can't understand. Even you identified a person with the blood cancer, and your test clearly shows that he is having the blood cancer. Even you are not ready to go nearby. How you will communicate? That is the professionalism. You should be a professional to do that one. To check your professionalism, you have to go for test marketing for them. For the computer science students, the test marketing, they are already having alpha testing, beta testing, gamma testings are there. Their software will go everywhere. For them, place is not important. It may be any remote place. They need not come to Bangalore. Now you can see during this COVID period, almost all the IT companies persons are working in different place from their native. But for them, how you are approaching the customer, whether the product is successful. You might have created a new app, whether the app is working correctly. The Ola tested, how critical points they identified for testing in Ola. When they connected with the GPS system and GIS information, they got it and they clearly matched with that one. That is why, for the computer science students, it is the technology to test whether it is user friendly. That is important thing. For you, it is very easy. You may say that we can do this one, that one immediately. But for the users, you must know how it is user friendly. That is why testing is essential. Even for journalism students, if you are critically identified a news, whether the news will touch or reach the public correctly, you have to test. You may report by seeing some of the incidents. You may visit some of the trade fair in palace grounds in Bangalore, and you may report something. Whether it is reaching the public in the same manner what you are thinking. That is why you need test marketing. Dear students, that is the purpose. Most of the business startups are failure because they are depending upon some intermediary. Intermediaries or 90% their friends only. They say that, okay, okay, you can carry on, everything is good, 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 good. But finally, when they launch their business, they find it very, very difficult. Even some of the Microsoft we had discussed, even the Bill Gates find it very tough in the beginning time. He changed his business name thrice, and third one is only the Microsoft. See that one. How you have to test that one. That is why all the test marketing is very, very essential. You may not assume anything good. You may not assume everything is bad, but you should have confidence. You are able to change based upon the result. Mostly, if you are depending upon your friends, they won't tell. They will say, okay, carry on. You are doing well, well, well. But in test marketing, the professionalism is very, very important. That is why, in case of COVID testing, COVID vaccine testing, how far it is going on? It is delayed because if that simple mistake, it may kill crores and crores of people. That is why they are test marketing the vaccine in different countries with different types of people. Even some of the testing has been suspended for 2 days or 1 day. But why government is insisting three test, four test? Because we have to know that it should be a successful one. First attempt itself, it should come successfully. That is why we are going for the test marketing. That is, that's what I told. You are ready to accept even the failure of the test marketing result. See that one, you will have a nice idea. If it works, you will gain money. Money, without money, you can't do anything. But if it is a failure one, you are able to rechange immediately. Otherwise, it is not a small job. Most of them, they are not ready to change. That is the issue of the startups, because you assume that we have invested a huge money. Is it possible to change immediately? You have to see. In case of cinema, it is very nice. The first movie, before releasing that one, they are showing the trailer. Why? Based upon the trailer, they will judge whether the audience will see our movie, whether they will accept our story indirectly or not. In your story, they won't tell, but the trailer is very important thing. Some of you might have seen the Bahubali 2, because it is an old film. I have seen twice. That is why I am telling that story. How creativity they introduced for the trailer for that Bahubali. You might have seen, because it is the Bahubali 2, first one and second one. They used to mention the conclusion of the story. How creatively they created the story. That is important. Creatively created the story of Bahubali 2 in the form of trailer. So based upon the trailer, it was shooted in, I think, that Hyderabad Ramoji Film City. So in that city, they prepared stay settings, everything. Before that itself, they introduced the trailer. By seeing the trailer, they clearly assumed that it was accepted by the public. They changed the settings to a costliest one. Costliest is one which is relevant for the shooting. Even some of the scenes have been changed after the trailer. And finally, you might have seen the product of the Bahubali 2, how settings are created. Only for that purpose, I visited that Ramoji Film City, I think in the year 2017. Once again, how the Bahubali was shooted, I wish to know. We conduct in our MBA department with some students from Hyderabad, a case study for that one. And I also went along with our students to see how it is going on. See that one. The test marketing of the Bahubali 2 was successful based upon the Bahubali 1 story. They made it successful in the trailer of Bahubali, and they changed according to that one. If you have went to Ramoji Film City, the settings, everything. I hope some of you might have seen such a big settings. They created that one because they know huge response from the audience, so they are ready to sell for crores and crores rupees. In those days, it was a very successful movie. Just 4 years back, see that one, how they changed. That is the successful of test marketing. Even after that, some of the movies came, Batmawat came. Everybody expected in the same manner of Bahubali too, but it is not highly successful like Bahubali 2. The reason, the test marketing. Once we tested our product, we have to do according to that one. In Bahubali, they did, but in Batma of the Flame, since it entered into number of controversy, they were unable to do. So that is the some of the failures. But later on, they changed. Even I came to know that very old film, one of the film released in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, they changed the story also. It was acted by a Tamil film star Rajinikanth in Tamil Nadu, and I think Mammootty or Mohanlal, he acted in Talabadi movie. I think some of you remember. Have you anybody seen the film Talabadi? Why no response? Anybody seen that movie acted by Rajinikanth and Mammootty?
No, sir.
No. It is
Yes,
anyway. Yes, somebody mentioned.
Yes,
So
sir.
good. Hmm. You can see that the movie.
Yes.
Yes, Kirtana is selling. Good Kirtana. In case of Kerala, they changed the climax scene. In Tamil Nadu, they changed the climax scene. The climax scene of that movie was changed. By that time only, I entered into teaching profession in those days. Hmm. I think probably in 1993, 94. And we assumed that the movie was in the same direction in both states. But when I was in Kottayam, I used to see the same movie and they are telling a different climax scene. But in Tamil Nadu, the climax scene was different because in case of Tamil Nadu, the hero is Rajinikanth. If anything goes negative to the Rajinikanth, Tamil Nadu people won't accept. Likewise, in case of Kerala, anything should not go against the Mammootty. So they won't accept. For that purpose, after the trailer, see that one, after the trailer, they changed everything. And it was done by the Maniratnam, the famous director. He changed even the climax scene according to the situation. That is important. So the product is a film. Whether I think some journalism students are there, you must know this thing in case of film industries. You have to change according to that one. In most of the movies, it will be like that. Depends upon the region as well as its own culture. Dear students, even the Jurassic Park, in case of Asian countries, your age scenes were changed in Asian countries compared to the European countries. Even though it was taken in some of the Universal Studio everywhere, but Jurassic age scenes have been changed. If you watch that movie, you will know. If the print is from European countries, age scenes they changed. When the new Jurassic Park that in animal is coming, they change the settings in different countries. In Asian countries, they changed according to the needs of the Asians. how the Asians will accept, because the reason is, in case of China, the green color is means the negative one. We used to meet one of the small art director of the Jurassic Park when we were in New Zealand. He was in shooting, and our students used to discuss with him. I asked this question, why they changed that one. He simply laughed and told, "Oh, you are all MBA students. You doesn't know this thing." He laughed and told, "In China, the green color refers to the jungle, and they won't prefer green. So anything is happening means it's not from green color. But Jurassic Park, everything is rotated towards green color, that jungle. But if any plus point is coming, it should not have a green background more. The Chinese won't accept. In most of the Asian countries, especially China, then Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, the Chinese people are dominating. So we changed some of the scenes in case of Asian country. Whereas European countries, it is not like that. See that one. Even the such type of movies, they used to change according to the situation. That is the test marketing. When you are testing your product, you should know. That is why you can see test marketing is classified into two parts. Of course, consumer goods and services, industrial goods. Computer science, you will go for the industrial goods. They used to call it as alpha testing, beta testing. Whereas other students, they will go for sales wave, simulated test marketing. We will see control test and test markets. That is the thing. Industrial goods, why I have included this one? Because some of the computer science students are also there. Industrial services, it is different. But consumer goods, it is different. In those days, there were no internet of things, no analytics. Everything they did by seeing the attitude of the customers. Told the story of the Talabadi flame released in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The director used to sit along with the audience when they introduced the trailer. Then he identified, okay, how we can change that one. That is, but nowadays it is not like that. You are seeing the trailer only in YouTube, not in theaters. So, according to this one, we have to change the conditions. We will see from the industrial goods. In case of industrial goods, we used to call it as alpha testing, beta testing, the gamma testing. Don't worry, this is not a big technical thing. Alpha testing is testing the product, whether the product is having all the features, whether it will be a successful one. It is testing equivalent to a prototype that we discuss on Thursday. What is the prototype? But alpha testing means whether your programming, your software is performing correctly what you think. You may say that the software is used for a particular purpose, whether it is doing in the same manner based upon your analytics mind. That is the alpha test. Recently, the COVID medicines or vaccines, whether they are going to find the medicines or whether they are going to find vaccination injections, all are in stage. Alpha stage means they are testing the product, whether the product is doing its core value. If they introduce the corona vaccine, we have to vaccinate all the human beings now. Medicines, once a person is affected, you have to inject that one. Medicines, I think it is very difficult, they are telling, but vaccination is possible. If you inject the vaccination, how many years we are able to survive without corona? That we have to test. That is called alpha testing. The product only. The corona medicines are in alpha testing. Computer science students, it is very important thing. The test. Your software should run correctly. That is why system testings are there, system analysis and design. You are studying software testing. Very nice. You have to study all those things for that alpha testing. Beta testing, it should be performed by the customers, whether the customers are accepting that product. The corona testing center, what we have discussed in the form of news, that is the beta test, because they already tested that we are able to test whether a person is affected with corona or not within 15 minutes. Then they keep that product in airport. They have taken the samples in one of the airport in nearby Belgium, and they asked all the air passenger to sit in one place, and they checked in 15 minutes. They got the result, and immediately they are able to take decision. That is the beta test, because it shows successfulness of the product. They know within 15 minutes we are able to test. But in case of airport testing, it is very difficult. Even if you are planning for 15 minutes test in airport, it may take 2 hours or 3 hours time, because it may be a very big queue. At a time, two or three flights may come down and land. So in such case, we have to test quickly. How it is possible? They tested with the customers how it is working, because their customers are only airport authorities. Airport authorities only buy such type of equipment to test whether a person is affected by COVID or not. They are the customers, actually not the patients or the air travelers or passengers. They are not the customers. Being clear, you must know that one. We already discussed who is the customer, to whom we are targeting the COVID testing device, not to the patients. But COVID medicines, COVID vaccines are for the patient. But COVID testing equipment, who will buy? Only in case of such type of airport authorities, as well as the organization who wish to test quickly. Even you came to know that in case of Bangalore, some of the offices, they introduce the testing compulsorily and mandatorily. So that is the beta test. So beta test, it is performed with the customers. Of course, there is one more test also. Nowadays they introduce called gamma test, especially in case of software. In case of software, first they will test the software. It is called alpha testing. Then they will test the same product with some of the customers. That is called beta testing. Then, very important thing, it is going with the compliance standard. Compliance standard means statutory standards, whether it is as per legal rules or not, whether the country or society will accept that one, not the customers, the society. Whether the government will accept, whether the society will accept, that is the gamma test. It should satisfy some essential things. You may design a very good toy, but the toy will pass the alpha test because toy is having a very good quality. A small helipad you have designed, let us assume like that. This, if you are using the battery, it will fly within the home. And you are testing with the beta. You are going to a one theme park, and in the theme park, kids are coming. You are showing with the help of small helicopters, small toy helicopters. Oh, it is flying. Kids are satisfied. It passed through beta test. But when it comes to gamma test, it is essential. Drones, small helicopters are helicopter means toy. If it is in the flying characters, it may be a drone. Drones are having more regulations. You have to satisfy the concept of privacy. You are not supposed to fly any drones without any permission in certain area. especially in cantonment area. Bangalore cantonment area, you can't use the drones. You can't use the toy helicopters because it may contains the camera, everything. So there are some legal rules there. Your product is good. Of course, kids will like, oh, this is flying. Kids will go here and there. They will see parents also satisfied because they are their customers. But in gamma testing, it may be a failure one. The reason the government imposed some of the restrictions, it is not permitted in cantonment area because cantonment area means defense. And even as per the rule, you can use the drone only for the technical purpose, that too in public place, in the private place where they are permitted. In marriage halls, within marriage halls, you can fly the drone, you can take nice pictures, but you can't send the drone out of the marriage halls because it will affect the privacy. In case of India, the laws are somewhat simplified, but in case of American countries, it is strictly prohibited. When we were visiting that place, Atlanta in US, they are not permitting. Drones are not asked to fly. Individual cannot have any drones there. If you want to have drones, you should have certain qualities. See that one, the gamma test, the compliance test. It is it is also based upon the end users, the government authority. You have to satisfy the gamma test. Usually, gamma test is a legal one, and some cases the society should accept something. It is a new one. Okay, so this is the testing. Coming to the case study, you can see this example, the alpha testing of the calibration. Alpha testing means calibration. In case of your microbiology students, you might have seen equipment should be calibrated. In case of your microbiology lab, you have to use the calibrated equipments. Otherwise, it may give wrong answer. A patient may not have sugar. You mentioned a patient, this patient is having a sugar value of, I think, 150. What will happen? So calibration, that comes under the alpha testing. You have to test whether you are giving the exact result. Even you can see recently I purchased the oxygen meter to check oxygen levels because they are giving. Along with the oxygen meter, I can check the pulse. I'm already having one meter to test the BP level. There also we can check the pulse. But both are showing different result in pulse. One equipment is showing my pulse rate is 78. Another equipment is showing it is 91. I don't know. Maybe within 2 or 3 minutes it may vary. But I am thinking which one is you have to follow. But in case of lab, you should be very careful with that one. You have to calibrate the equipments. I think you know the meaning of calibration. That you have to follow the rules and regulations and follow. Simple thing. If you are going to a small store for buying the your groceries, weighing machine, all the weighing machine should be calibrated. Otherwise, it is not considered as the weighing machine. So that is the calibration. That is called alpha testing. Whatever service you are going to give, you have to test your product whether it is worth. Even in service, psychology students, you may have a nice idea. For you, what is the alpha testing? Your knowledge, how you are identifying the patient, how you are able to grasp knowledge based upon your test. You have to read many books according to the change in culture. Recently, I came to know that in case of COVID, most of the culture has been changed. Now we are everywhere using the mask, and most of them were sitting inside the home, and unnecessary problems are coming on. Even in the beginning month of March and April, it witnessed a nice thing. All the family members get together, but after the April, the change in the attitude of the some behaviors have been reported, especially in North India. I think you might have seen that one. One of the researchers from psychology they mentioned that it may be due to COVID because they were in home without receiving any money, no income. So how their attitude will change? Now the psychology, if you are taking back to psychologists, they are also finding it difficult because the attitude has changed, not for an individual person, entirely for the whole India. So how they have to see that one? So alpha testing means how you are acquiring knowledge for the psychology students, how you are going to read the books, and how you are going to deal with your patient. So that is the calibration you need for the alpha testing. Beta testing I already mentioned. It is based upon the customer version. Customer should accept. The trailer is the cinema producer will produce a nice trailer with music, everything. But whether the music is accepted by the public, trailer producer says that okay, I have mixed very nicely the music. The photographer say very nice photographer. Everything is okay. Whether public is ready to accept that one, that is the beta testing. If it is successful, it is you are able to survive. That is the beta testing. You can see that one. Even the demo with users, how you are going to tell the negative results. That is important in case of microbiology students. Even in case of computer science students, you are giving, but your software or your app is not giving the user friendly thing. According to you, the product is working well, the app will work well, but it may not be in user friendly. That you will find it in the beta testing. You might have seen the Ola app. I am using from the beginning stages of the Ola app. Number of changes are coming based upon the user friendly. How quickly they are changing that one, you making you user friendly. Okay, these are all called the test marketing. So for the industrial products, you must know alpha testing, beta testing, gamma testing also. For others, we will see. Let us see one failure example first, then we'll see the success example. Because example we already discussed in different places. Okay, let us see the case of bamboo in India. I think you know Bamboo India is one of the organization. Once Hindustan Unilever says that we can have toothbrush with the wooden thing. The Bamboo India, one of the organization, of course, it is a non-profit organization, but selling is different. They, along with the government of India, under the Make in India scheme, they created a new product. And they mentioned that the toothbrush with the bamboo. I think whether you are using or not, I have not seen so far physically. I heard about that one. One faculty from our department they are using. I think in our college they are using. But you can see the product test. What they did, they created a nice bamboo product. They used sophisticated technology. You know that one. A new technology they carved well. It looks nice, and they introduced. in the alpha testing. In the alpha testing, they it is passed successfully because they mentioned 100% biodegradable. Yes, the bamboo degradable. Splinter free, smooth edges are essential. It should not be hard. Pass the test. Heat treated wood. Of course, in some cases, heat is because sometimes it may work in 100 degrees Celsius. So they also tested one durable and also water resistant, and they mentioned that successful product. And this product is going to be very successful, and it tested the alpha testing because alpha testing means only product testing successful. Now they moved on to the beta testing. Since it is a customer product, how to test this product? Once upon a time means they will take all this bamboo toothbrush, go to the houses and they will test. But now it is not like that. In online itself, they tested whether there's a good demand for such type of product, toothbrush. They have seen and they mentioned that you can see in that one wooden toothbrush 599 bamboo toothbrush. They seen that nicely. It has been priced in Mintra around 599 rupees. So they mentioned this is called sales way. How salespeople will accept. And they say one aromatic heads bamboo toothpaste, aqua white eco-friendly bamboo. The price are different variations. And they seen that one, okay, the sales for all the product is good because it has been marketed by Flipkart and in by the different companies. So they assume that the sales first we can clear the test called sales wave research. Since all of them are coming, definitely customers will come to us. Based upon that, they concluded that sales wave test is successful one. Then they put the sample. They send one of the sample product for sales with 50 persons and they check that one review for the product. This is called simulated test marketing. The simulation is done by us. They sold this product through the online websites. There is Amazon or something, and they checked whether it is accepted by the people nicely. Sales says that every number of marketers are there, so it is able to accept. So what happened? You can see the top reviews. So they gone through the top reviews. Soft is not soft enough. First recommendation, you can see that one. How the feedbacks are coming. See that one. Great to have a choice of buying options for non-plastic consumables, but the success of this item depends on competitive suitability because already our persons are using the plastic toothbrush which is comfortable and price is less. It is very easy, but in one way some of the customers rated just 3 and one of the customer mentioned very useful. They are given the 5-star rating also. How the customers are giving rating based upon that they are confused. Oh, they are sold to 50 persons. Some of them mention it is good, some of them mention it is bad. They gone for the controlled test marketing. See that one. Next is test. What they mentioned, they created a Facebook page and they posted whether it will be a successful one. See that one? It is the Facebook that posted that one. They created a Bamboo India for Facebook and they posted all the bamboo products and they wish to know whether it is accepted by the customers. But for their surprise, only 125 persons gone through this Facebook. Even though it is landing page is good, they were having doubt. Why? The product is good. It looks nice. But when we posted in the Facebook, there is no likes and dislikes. Only few persons are seeing something happened. They are unable to judge whether we are able to accept according to the people because they all when they are selling that 50 product of bamboo toothbrush they mention we are going to start all those things Facebook page everything but unfortunately there was no comments in the Facebook by that time. Okay, even then what they did, okay, we will go for test launching. We'll test it in the one place. Physical test. What they did when the Bamboo India conducts the fair, annual trade fair, they tested that one. Even the Prime Minister visited that place and they tested. Everybody displayed their product. Even this Bamboo India they displayed. They assumed that the minimum 1,000 toothbrush will sell, but for their one, only they are able to sell 600, 60%. I think they mentioned the case study something 612 or not. They're able to, well, only the 60%, 40% they are unable to sell. What is the wrong in that one? That is the test marketing result. When they come for final testing with market test, we can say this is equal to a gamma testing. Public are not ready to accept. See that one. We are telling product is nice, but the entire mass should accept, Otherwise, there is no meaningful in selling our product and marketing our product. That is why in the market test, it is a failure one. Even you can see the likes and dislikes only 88% liked, even though the prime minister visited that area and they sold the products from that one. They are able to sell only 60%, 40% is said to be equivalent to loss. So, what wrong in it? We have to check because it is having a good attraction, make in India scheme, manufacture is done, but some failure in accepting from the public. They are doing still research on that one. Why there's a failure? See that one. Because the people are not ready to accept. They can see like and window shopping. Oh, nice product. They are seeing everywhere, but they are not ready to buy because of the cost. 599 rupees toothbrush. Why you have to buy, spend huge amount for that one? People are telling like that. Even though it is an alternative to plastic, they mentioned you can see only 22 likes. Number of things they introduced. They mentioned some new words. Yes, there's a plan B. They have to change. They tried to change, but everything went on wrong. Till now, you can see they posted number of videos in YouTube, but in all the places, 51 views, 415 views, 423 views, just like that only, not like any other big product. But Bamboo Travel Kit is having 1.3 thousand views because it is a trailer one. But when it comes to market, it is unable to make it successful. Dear students, that is why you must know all those things. That is how they have to change the product. Even in YouTube, they introduce number of advertisements, but no worthwhile. What's wrong in it? Now they are discussing how to change. We have to reduce the profit, as well as we have to reduce that one. Price is very important thing. Another example that you know how the success story of test marketing. Kia, when they decided to introduce this sonnet in the Indian market, they created a nice ad before introduction. You might have seen the ad. Very nice ad has been introduced by the Kia, and they used to test in the market how it is going on. First view itself, you can see 90, you can see at the left left bottom, you can see that one. More than 95, sorry, you're not 95 lakhs, around 9 crore lakhs, 9 crores, yes. More views, the trailer itself. Even though they are worrying about this scene, because some wild animals are coming, whether it will be accepted by the people. They were worrying about that one. But fortunately for them, the advertisement is successful one. See that one, the trailer view. Now that's wild. How they created that one, you can see immediately the reviews are coming. Even though some negative reviews, the Kia is able to answer immediately. How quickly the response is coming. So it means that in market, the people are ready to accept the Kia Sonet immediately. By seeing that ad, nothing they introduced, a trailer, how they made it successful in Indian markets. And then for the testing that one, they introduced in the Auto Expo. In one of the expo, they introduced the product and they checked how it is working. See that one, test marketing. Because it is an automobile product, you have to test in the exhibition. So we can't go for anything. First one, they tested in the YouTube. Second one, test market test. They have to done in the place. See that one. They created and walk around Autocar India in Mumbai. They introduced that vehicle there and they got very good likes. Plus, even those few unlikes are there. But this is a market test. How the people will accept physically. In this Auto Expo, they came to know that what are the essential things, what are the things you have to change. See that one. And they planned according to that one, especially the wheels. They used to concentrate and how the wheels of this sonnet is going to get the acceptance level. They made it successful one. So this is a very good example of that one. How the test market and market test are made successful. Then they gone through the reviews, Kia Sonnet reviews, first test drive reviews. You can see there are some negative things are there. Immediately they are ready to accept and change. One of the person very good performance overall, stylish, best in the segment, not happy with the car, negative thing, perfect car. They used to mention about the reviews. These are very instant, you can measure that one. Best compatible, good and safe, best in segment features, particular segment only it is acceptable. Cancelled my booking because of the huge price. Compare it place with some other cars before buying. It is too costly. Overall value for the money based upon the customer feedbacks. We can, of course, overpriced. See that one, this is the market test. How we can do that one? They made it like that. Expensive, value, impressive. How they identified that one? Once it is, majority of them are able to mention the very good feedback, it means that we have tested successfully. So that is the thing. They made it this type of gamma test in online. Some of the organization you can see, best thing now, you can sell in Amazon the sample product, you can get more reviews. That is how recently market testings are done. So the question for today's first hour class is, what type of beta test you will do for your proposed product? Okay, that answer. What type of beta test? Not alpha test. Beta test means consumer test. You will do for your proposed product. Okay, try to answer your Google form. You'll have the break. I think we will resume after 15 minutes by 3:35. We'll resume because it went up to 3:20. We'll have 15 minutes break. We'll meet after 3:35. Okay. Thank you.